A very good morning to all my dear students and welcome back to your English core classes. As we know that we were doing writing skill, and once again I'm with you all to tell you and remind you what are the things that we have completed so far and what not. Okay? So now you can see that the three sections are there. The first section, which is totally based on the paragraph, passages, and note making, and the second one is for advanced writing skill. We were focusing the advanced writing skill a lot, and mostly, and I would say that all the things that I have done. That is short composition. The advertisement is there, notice, poster, invitation, reply, and then report and factual description that comes under report writing and factual descriptions, letter writing, and visual input based composition like article and speech. One more thing which I have added here, that is debate writing, which you don't have studied yet. It was in your first year, I think. And but if I have done it or make you clear about the debate writing, the points I have discussed with you all, that whenever you are going to write a report, then whenever you are going to give a speech or debate about a topic, so how will you tell it, what the introductory part will be, what the body, and how will you conclude it. Means mostly we have I have told you all that how will you do it as well. So this is what about the writing skill was. And if you have seen the all videos of mine, so I think concept of writing skill has been clear to you all. If it is not, then please let me know or tell me that that this part is not clear to you all, so I'll focus on the majority, and then again I would say that I'll try to upload it once again to make it clear easy. Okay, so this is what about the core English is. And then next way I'll uploading the next video of elective English. The person who opted elective English of 100 marks, it is only for them, and afterwards I'll discuss about the mile English. Okay, so don't miss any lectures video of mine. And if the person belongs to the elective English, so I think it would be more beneficial for them also. So please do it, because you have to complete your syllabus as well, and the examination would be so near to you all. It won't be easy for you all to handle it at a moment, to clear it very quickly. So whatever the videos I'll upload it, to watch all the videos and clear your concept towards the elective English. Okay, now I'm presenting the syllabus of elective English and make you clear that what are the things that we have to study in elective English and what's my part of teaching will be there. Okay, so the first I'll tell you that the book which you have to purchase is Kaleidoscope. Okay, it is a textbook for class 12. If you are known with the books, that's why I'm showing it. If you don't know what will be and how the book will be, so I think अगर मैं आपको ये दिखा दूँ तो it will be easy for you कि आप आराम से शॉप में जाकर इसको परचेज कर सकें. Now directly we are coming to the content of elective English. That the things that we have to go for the elective English is, there are the short stories, poetry, dramas, non-fictions. Okay, so these are the parts. Little bit your syllabus is lengthy, so all the teachers will be teaching you, and what's their part will be, they will show their in their own videos. Okay, so now you can see the short stories are there. Now I think it's clear to you all. Okay, so short stories are there, that is the 5 short stories. The first one is I Sell My Dreams, the second one is Eveline, number third is A Wedding in Bronzeville, number 4 is Tomorrow, and number 5th is 1 centimeter. Okay, and then you have the poetry part. The poetry part, there are the 8 poetry that you have to study. Number 1 is A Lecture Upon the Shadow, number 2 poems by Milton, number 3 poems by Blake, number 4 Kubla Khan, number 5 Trees, number 6 The Wild Swans of Cooley, number 7 Time and Time Again, and number 8 Blood. Then again, you have the non-fiction. And what are the things in non-fiction is? 6 non-fictions are there. Number 1 is freedom. Number 2 is the mark on the wall. Number 3 is film making. Number 4 is why the novel matters. Number 5th is the argumentative Indian. Number 6 is on science fiction. And then last you have the part of syllabus is drama, and in drama Chandalika is there and broken image. Okay, this is the syllabus that you have to study. Okay, this was the part of the literature, and now you can see the section A, B, C is there. In section A, the reading skills is there, which contain 20 marks. Section B, writing skill and grammar is there, 40 marks. Number C, literally text and long reading, 40, means you have the 100 marks. Very short answer type question will be there, and factual passages will be there, discursive passage, literary passage. In section B, you can see the short answer type question and the long answer type question will be there. So this is what about your syllabus is. whenever we will start it, जब भी हम इसको शुरू करेंगे, so we will try कि हम इसके सारे क्वेश्चंस को ऑन टाइम वी कुड एंड इट एज वेल. आपके कॉन्सेप्ट को ज़्यादा ईजीएस्ट वे पे पहुंचाने की भी कोशिश की जाएगी, ताकि इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो जिनको समझने में मे बी परहैप्स वी कैन थिंक दैट दे वुड हैव प्रॉब्लम ऑन इट. Okay, so please keep watching, keep learning, and from the next video I'll be uploading the elective English questions, and will be more benefit on only for the elective English students. Okay, so till then, thank you and take care.